Okay, so here's Greg on his Yamaha YZ85, and what he's going to do is he's going for the double. It's actually a triple up, big gulp right here. Boom, but he's going to go for the double. So this is actually a really big jump for him. He's getting close. He's so close. Here he goes. This is it. Here he goes. Nope, he didn't have the right gearing. Didn't have the right gearing. The last two times he cased it, he was so close. Over Henry Hill. Up the step up jump. That's the step up. And then you go over a set of whoops on the other side of the step up. See the whoops? The whoops lead into the tabletop, which the trees are blocking. I might be able to get to see him kind of go over it. Here he comes. There he goes.